Wow, this is Captain America. This is Hulkbuster.
Nope. Nope.
Wow, Thanos.
Insolence crusher.
This is Wolverine. Wow, this is the Flash. This is Spiderman. Wow, Iron Spider. This is Black Panther.
Come on, let's go. Oh my God! Who's that?
Wow, Iron Man. This is Spider-Man.
That'll give me a chance to thwip Tracy back.
No sign of those pesky spiders. I guess I get to keep you after all.
Wow, who cartoon? This is Hook Maestro. Wow, this is Iron Man. Wow, Venom. This is Doctor Strange.
Do you want to see twisted?